Hello everyone, if you're trying to play ARC Raiders and you keep getting this error, an error occurred, login failed due to a service interruption, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on ARC Raiders easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here settings, and then you're going to go into network and internet here, you're going to go into advanced network settings here, and then you're going to go into network reset. Just click reset now on network and that will reset your network, and after that it's going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here command, and you're going to right click on the command prompt, click run as administrator, click yes, and you're going to paste this command on here. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video. Once you put in this command, now when you try to play ARC Raiders, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get the login failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.